Welcome to Chapter 1 of Digital Communication, Probability Theory and Random Processes. Module 2 covers Conditional Probability and Independent Events. Conditional probability, probability of B given A, to denote the probability of event B when it is known that event A has occurred. This should read probability of B given A. That means here we are calculating the probability of B, but A has already occurred. And according to the definition, probability of B given A is equal to probability of A intersection B upon probability of A. Similarly, probability of A given B is equal to probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. Probability of A intersection B and probability of B intersection A are same. That is why I used here probability of A intersection B, here also probability of A intersection B. So conditional probability is defined in terms of joint probability and marginal probability. B given A is equal to AB upon A. A given B is equal to AB upon B. From this definition, we can write probability of A intersection B is equal to, just take this denominator here, probability of B by A into probability of A. Similarly, from here, probability of A by B into probability of B. So the joint probability can be written in terms of conditional probability and marginal probability. From these two, we are able to write probability of B by A is equal to, just take this probability of A here in the denominator side, probability of A by B into probability of B upon probability of A. So one conditional probability can be written in terms of another conditional probability and two marginal probabilities. This is called Bayes rule or Bayes theorem. Like probability of B given A, probability of A given B also can be written. A given B is equal to probability of B given A into A upon B. So I'll show one example here. Drawing two cards from a deck in succession. That is, I am not replacing the drawn card. Find the probability of obtaining two red aces in two draws. So I'll define event A and B. Let A is equal to red ace in the first draw and B is equal to red ace in the second draw. I think all of you know total number of cards and total number of red cards. Total number of cards are 52. Total number of red cards are 13 plus 13, that is 26. And out of 13, one red ace and second 13, again one more red ace. So total number of red aces are 2. We wish to determine probability of A intersection B. Probability of A intersection B means probability of A and B. Probability of A and B can also written as probability of AB. Probability of AB is equal to probability of A into probability of B by A according to the previous conditional probability definition. Probability of AB is equal to probability of A into probability of B upon A. First we calculate probability of A, that is probability of occurrence of red ace in the first experiment. Total number of cards are 52. Number of favorable outcomes 2. So probability 2 upon 52, that is 1 upon 26. Next, probability of B given A. Meaning of this is, in the first experiment, we got red days. Then what is the probability of getting red days in the second experiment? That is probability of B given A. So once we got red days in the first experiment and we are not replacing that card, so total number of cards are now only 51 and there is only one red days remaining. So probability of B given A is equal to 1 by 51. So probability of AB is equal to probability of A, that is 1 by 26, into probability of B given A, that is 1 by 51. So answer is 1 upon 1326. Instead of doing this experiment like this, if the first card drawn was replaced, then probability of A is equal to, like the previous case, it is 2 by 52, that is 1 by 26. Once a card is replaced, again there are 2 aces available for second experiment and total number of cards are also 52. So probability of B given A, even though we got red dice in the first experiment, but it is replaced. Due to that reason, 2 red dice are remaining, total number of cards are 52. So probability of B given A is equal to 2 upon 52. That is again 1 by 26. So here probability of B by A is same as probability of B. That is red dice, getting probability of getting a red dice in an experiment. So probability of AB is equal to probability of A into probability of B by A. That can be written as probability of A into probability of B. That is 1 by 26 into 1 by 26, that is 1 upon 676. Actually, the second case is an example of independent events. Here I define what is independent events. If probability of AB is equal to probability of A into probability of B, A and B are independent events. That is exactly the second case. First experiment and second experiments are independent. So probability of AB can be calculated from probability of A and probability of B. For independent events, probability of A by B is equal to, that is A given B is equal to probability of A. Similarly, probability of B given A is equal to probability of B. Thank you.